Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have PoolMate's Hydro 6 robotic pool cleaner. This Hydro 6 has dual motors for extra high suction and superior cleaning power. Let me show you. The Hydro 6 has 8,800 gallons per hour of suction power. It's industry leading. It's generated by 2 pumps, and you can see that right here as I'm showing it working. All of that bubbling, all of that water moving is showing how it's sucking all the water into it. I wanted to give the PoolMate Hydro 6 a really big test. So I took really heavy sand and poured a whole cup of it into this swimming pool. It was like a nuclear explosion underwater. And look at that big pile of dirt. Swimming pools never get this dirty with normal use. But this is the kind of test I wanted to give the PoolMate Hydro 6. Let me show you how this all hooks up. This is a control box, and this is a connector. With this connector, it's what's gonna hook up to the Hydro 6. I've taken off the protective cover, and the connector has a groove that's gonna fit right here. Just press it in, the sleeve goes right in, and then with this, you're gonna twist this on for a tight, waterproof connection. The control box is going to hook up to the Wi-Fi, and it's the brains behind the Hydro 6. Or it can hook up by Bluetooth. 2 different ways to hook up. It comes with an extra long cord, and the cord is 25 meters, which is about 75 feet. Big enough for very large pools, like this one. And for demonstration purposes, I have a 3-prong plug extension cord. And I had downloaded the app on the phone. I'll show you more about that later, but it's super easy to connect. Here I am at the pool. I just turned the device on over there, and now I'm gonna press Go Connect. It's discovering this as a new device. I'm pressing connection, and it's connecting, and it's already on. This is about 1.5 cups of sand. I'm gonna pour it in to give my PoolMate Hydro 6 a really big test. I'm sucking it up. Let the good sand roll right into the pool. We can see underwater the plumes of all that sand and dirt. It's like a nuclear reaction going off into your pool. What a heavy-duty test I'm going to give the PoolMate Hydro 6. We can see the mess above water, and here it is underwater, sitting at the bottom of the pool. There is so much of that sand on the bottom of the pool. You can put your control box anywhere. It doesn't have to be by the pool, so I'm just going to stick it over here. So you put your PoolMate in first, and then you tell the app to go on. Let out the cord, and there's a big button on top that says Start Cleaning. That's what I'm going to press. Cleaning a large pool is difficult. This is an especially large pool. It's so expensive to have pool companies come and clean your pool. The PoolMate Hydro 6 is state-of-the-art with its cleaning power. Big messes like the one I made with all that sand are a piece of cake, and that's because it is run by 2 pumps. Those 2 pumps are pulling the water with the suction power of 8,800 gallons per hour into it, and an axial flow design blocks the bottom sediments from stirring up. It's going to go straight into the vacuum of the PoolMate Hydro 6. And that allows for a very forceful filtration of the pool water and all the dirt that is coming up from the bottom of the pool. Look at all the dirt and sand sucking right into the Hydro 6 to take it out of your pool and contain that mess. And besides cleaning the dirt and the sand, and even the invisible particles of that dirt and sand, it will get up tons of other microscopic particles in your pool water. Things you can't see, like dust and parasites, fibers, and algae spores, and oils. That suction power of 8,800 gallons per hour is bringing all of that dirty water is being brought into the machine with that comprehensive filter. So both the visible and the invisible is getting cleaned. You're getting rid of all those contaminants, so you have healthy water to swim in for you and your family. And as your PoolMate Hydro 6 is cleaning, it might come over some bumps in the road, like a light, as in this case. The reinforced track wheels don't have a problem with that. It's not going to stop the suction power. It has great traction to go over obstacles, and those tracks will clean those bumps in the road as it goes. PoolMate's Hydro 6 handles all surfaces, whether it's concrete, fiberglass, or vinyl pools. And the cord on top is anti-tangle. There's a slip ring there, so it twirls around. You're not going to have a problem with cord jams. It's engineered for smooth working. No knots are going to develop as it's cleaning your pool. Now I know this is only 1.5 cups of sand, but the dual zone filter basket inside has 2 different mesh types for really great filtration. It has almost a 7-liter capacity canister, and that's the largest filtration among all high-end pool robot cleaners. And because of the large capacity of the canister, there's not much occurrence of clogging. It minimizes that. So that means it reduces the need for frequent cleaning of your filter basket. And the filter in it is a high-quality nylon, which is great for getting rid of muddy-looking water. And the fabric is a non-woven fabric that makes up the filter, that extra fine, ultra fine filter. And that's great for daily maintenance as well. And you have a choice of the 2 mesh types. There's a nylon filter. So that is great for muddy water, like you see it cleaning right here. There was a lot of mud when I poured that sand in. But they also have a different mesh, and that's an ultra-fine one for your daily maintenance. But I have the high permeability muddy water one using right now because of all that mud and all that sand. It's really durable, easy to maintain. It includes a Deep Sea Tech BLDC motor. PoolMate has done many underwater types of cleaners. And this one includes a special deep sea technology, and BLDC is a brushless direct current motor. It is spark-free, corrosion resistant, and very quiet. And the PoolMate Hydro 6 has no problem climbing those walls in order to clean the tiles. It scrubs your water line, so you don't have like bathtub rings at the top of your pool. Pool water evaporates all the time and often leaves a ring. With the PoolMate Hydro 6, you'll never have to see those lines again. It scrubs them with that heavy-duty rubber scrubber right in the front and the top of the PoolMate. Even when your fountain is pushing water at it, it doesn't matter. It's going to come up to the very lip of your pool like you're seeing it here with my fountain water hitting it. It's not distracted. Back and forth it goes to scrub it well. And at the same time, it's filtering that water with those 2 double jets. You can see that. That's the power of the 8,800 gallons per hour of that suction power. You see it flowing right through. That's a really good shot to show you that in action. It also is great going up steps and cleaning your stairs. And to clean your pool, the Hydro 6 intelligently maps your pool and efficiently plans out its cleaning route. It does extensive coverage of cleaning in a short amount of time because it works fast with all its power. And when it's done cleaning, it'll come right to the edge so you can take it out. Check this out. Red Rover, PoolMate Hydro 6, come over. Good job. Wow, check out my perfectly clean pool. This is amazing. From the deep end all the way to the shallow end where I threw all that sand. It's all looking good. It's ready for my next pool party. Wow. And I just love watching my PoolMate Hydro 6 work. It's mesmerizing just seeing it go and go and go. And a clean pool is so inviting. That sparkling blue water makes me just want to get in it and play. I know my pool water is healthy and clean, so splish splash. It's pool time. This is the best part of this day. When you order your PoolMate Hydro 6, it comes right to your door. Here's mine at my front door. I took the box inside and put it on my kitchen floor, and I wanted to take everything out to show you how it's packaged. And then I put the box on my counter. This is the front of the box. It shows you a lot of the features on the bottom of the front of the box to remind you why you got it. I like that design. Here are all sides of the box. It's really attractive. It'd make a great gift. And on one side of the box, it has all the specs. That's handy. Now here's the top of the box. It's got a handle on it. Makes it easy to move around. So I opened the top of the box, and here's how it came packaged. It was packaged really well, so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping, and there was a lot of parts to it. So then I put everything on my counter to show you everything I got in the box. There is the PoolMate Hydro 6 on the left with the cord wrapped around on the top, and then on the right we can see the filters, the 2 different kinds of mesh filters you get. There's a nylon filter and also a non-woven fabrics filter for ultra-fine daily maintenance. They're both there. You can choose which one you like. There's a startup guide and a user manual, and the control panel is in the back. We can see that. That's the brains of the Hydro 6. And with the control panel, there's the waterproof plug, and that's where you can connect it. Connects very easily. And it comes with a 3-prong electrical plug that fits any North American normal household outlet, 120 volts. And when you plug it in, it lights up and it goes on. And on the face of the control panel, you can see it has a pickup. This is a button you can press manually. It has the start and stop right in the center, and then the mode. on top, you can see it goes from regular to ultra to fast to custom to floor to waterline. So if there's a certain area of your pool you want cleaned, you're able just to have it focus on that manually. Now we see the red because it's charging the battery in the back. The red means it's fully charging because I plugged it in. And it comes with an app, and the app is really easy to download. You just go to the scan code and you download the app, and it's like any other app. It navigates you through what you need to know, and it also shows features along the way. So you get a training just by downloading the app. It's very intuitive the way they've designed it. And quickly, you come right to the big Start Cleaning button right in the center. It also tells you the temperature, and that's connected to Wi-Fi on the right, we can see there. And it's telling us the device is not in water right now, which is not. It's on my counter. It has a menu to schedule cleaning, and it also lets you know if it's doing a task and how much time it's spent on that task. The AI is very smart within the app. And let me show you how you clean the filter. After it's done working, here it is. I put it on my lawn. I take out the filter basket, and let me show you the dirt inside that basket. It got a lot of leaves and it got a lot of dirt. Here are all sides of that basket, and I just took a garden hose to clean it out. It took me like 30 seconds to clean this basket. And you want to clean it out because you want the filters to be able to bring in all the dirty water into it. And I like to clean my filter every time I clean the pool. You never know what's going to be in that filter from all that powerful suction power. Nice to have a clean filter for use next time. It fits just snugly right in. I give my machine a wash down too, because it can get dirty inside. And after a quick rinse, I put the filter basket right in, ready to go. So going from a very dirty pool with that smart navigation in order to clean the full pool efficiently in no time at all, you are ready for your pool party. Wow, what a fantastic job. Look at how clean and blue and sparkling my pool is. Click link below to get your PoolMate Hydro 6 robotic pool cleaner. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for a beautiful, clean pool so you and your family can enjoy it every day of your summer. It's pool time. Time to put the toys in and get the kids. Kids, the party's starting now. If you like this video, here's more over there on other really great pool things like thermometers and lights for your pool. Just click.